Hey guys, surprise, I'm live. If you don't see the little red live button, it means you are watching the replay. My hair is like got a mind of its own today. Ah. So, I'll see if anybody hops on with me. I know this is unusual to do an afternoon live, but I was bored and I wanted to ink a shirt, so I wanted to show y'all. Ink a shirt. So let me see if I can find my video and share it. Hey Jennifer. Hey Missy. Oh, Facebook's okay, let's see. Yeah, I am early. This is not I'm having my normal live tonight, but I was bored. So I'm like, I'm just gonna go live and ink a shirt. Hey Jenny. Y'all, I was just bored. Alright, so let's get going. I'm not going to worry about sharing this to... I don't know why the share thing is not working right on my phone. It has not been for my videos. I can share anybody else's videos and it's fine. My videos, I have such an issue. I don't understand it. But let's see, I got that one posted. Okay. Let's get going. It's going to be a short live. I just wanted to visit. I hope everybody had a good 4th of July. I found this cute tie-dye tank top. And I'm like, it needs ink, right? So look how cute this is. I love tie-dye for summer. Isn't that cute? Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to worry anybody. I was bored, guys. I was working on some stuff for our other company. For those of y'all that don't know, Craig joined another company that we are promoting. I'm not leaving Couture. I love Couture too much. But I was working on that today, and I got bored, and I haven't chalked since Thursday because, yeah, things happen. And I'm like, I need to go live and chalk something today. Early. I was bored. Yes. Hey, Ashanti. Very early, guys. I know. I'll be back. I will be back again tonight. I'm going to do 2 lives today. And you never know. See, I get bored during the day sometimes. I might start popping in during the day. But isn't this cute? So it's going to be quick live. So, oh, and our ink mats are back in stock. So who's ordering their ink mats? They are back. Mine are non-sticky. I need to order some more, but I'm kind of waiting to order because, y'all, the 15th, new catalog. I am so excited. Who else is excited? I know Missy is. I know Jenny is. I cannot wait because I've gotten some sneak peeks. I can't wait. All right, so we put our ink mat in. What is up here? Oh, I'm like, why is that raised up? It's my little thing on my ink mat. We put our ink mat in because we don't want our ink to go through and through the fabric. So it's, yes, Ann. Hey, Ann. I'm so excited. Because if you don't put a barrier, your ink's just gonna soak through. Ask Jenny. Sorry to call you out, friend. All right. I am crooked. Let me put this straight on. I think this is so cute. Okay. So, the transfer I'm using on this adorable tank top is, I'm trying to get it straight. Like a boss. Because you know what? I am my own boss. We're all our own boss, right? Turn this out to color better. Okay. I hope Ferg is doing okay. Alright guys, so y'all know I've used this before, so I've written on the back because our transfers are reusable. They have, the backer sheet has a glossy side that the transfer is going to stick back to and a paper side that is the back. And because I am using this on fabric, I do not have to fuzz it. I just want to line this up. Let me see if that's about, hey Tina. I think that is going to be, that looks good. That looks good. Okay. So like a boss, here we go. We're using ink. Like I said guys, this is a quick live, quick project. I will be back tonight around 9. My regular schedule. I was just bored and I've been wanting to do this shirt. So I don't feel any bubbles. I'm just making sure I don't have any bubbles. And I'm just using black ink. Where's my little, oh. So your ink is not the same as paste. You don't really have to stir it or anything. I already got it all over me. Oh my goodness. But I am taking my little, I was about to call it a spatula, my little stir stick, and just dropping some ink down. And notice I'm kind of dropping it above the silk screen. And let me wipe my finger before I do anything else, because ink is permanent. So I don't want my ink to get anywhere I don't want it. So I'm just going to take my squeegee and we're just going to bring that ink down to cover the silk screen. Make sure all your screen is completely covered. I need a little more ink, so I'm just going to get a little more on my squeegee. Okay. And then I'm just going to scrape away any excess. Looks good. Put that back into my jar, and of course it's all over my hand again, so I'm gonna clean my hands before I pull this up. And I did not bring a water bath in here, so I will go clean this in the sink. But let's go ahead and pull this up and see what we got. Yay! Put that down here. And we've got our Like a Boss. Isn't that cute? Like a Boss. So I'm going to go ahead and dry this and turn my heat press on and show you how I heat press. So let me turn this on and let that heat. We're going to get it to 305. Okay, so we're going to let that heat up. I am going to, isn't that cute, Jenny? I found this tank top on Jiffy Shirts. I had to place an order on Jiffy Shirts for a customer order. And I always kind of add stuff for myself. Thanks, Jennifer. I always kind of just add stuff for myself just because, you know, why not? And I got this, and then I got another tie-dye. It's purple though. It's all purple. So I thought it was cute. Okay, that so I can close my jar of ink, and of course wash my hands again because I am messy. Yes, quick and easy project. Hey Delaney, thank you. Quick, easy, messy. Look, I get ink everywhere, guys. Everywhere. Paste, ink, it doesn't matter. I get it everywhere. Ugh. Okay. So let's take the, we gotta remember to take the ink mat out before we heat press. Fill that up. So let's slide that out without trying to mess it up. Y'all, feel like sometimes I'm a walking time bomb. Mess up at any second. Alright, so let's try this with our hair dryer first. Because I know y'all don't ever get to see me heat press very often. So, but we're going to make sure that this is completely dry. Okay, Missy. Are you at work? You watching at work? Love you, girl. So we're going to make sure this is completely dry. Now, I'm going to be using my Cricut Easy Press. I'm heating it up right now to 305. And I want to make sure that this is starting to dry before I press it. My E bled a little bit, but it's not bad. So I have to think of a project to do tonight. I didn't want to save this one for tonight because it was quick. Okay. That feels dry. So what I'm going to do, let me grab, I'm going to have to stand up. I can't reach it. Let me grab my mat. So I've got a pressing mat. I'm going to go ahead and put it inside my shirt. And that's just to protect my shirt and protect the table. Okay, so I've got my mat. And I'm going to cover my design with a Teflon sheet. Now, you can use parchment paper. I have a bunch of these Teflon sheets because I heat press all the time, so I like to use those. So I'm just going to cover my ink, and then I'm going to take my Easy Press, and we're just going to put it on there and go for 30 seconds. You don't really need any pressure. You just need to heat it. Normally I do these in my big heat press, but just to show y'all, you can do it with an Easy Press. You can do it with an iron. If you're heat pressing with an iron, you want to set it on your highest setting, like your cotton setting. Okay. And we're good to go. It's pressed. Now, some people say they also heat the back. I don't do that. I feel like, you know what? It's pressed and it's dry. Look at that. I got a cute tank top, like a boss. Isn't that cute? Can't, if I can hold it right. All right, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed my little impromptu live. I think this is so cute. And see, I can run my hands over it. It doesn't feel like vinyl. It's very smooth. I can wash it, no problems. No issues. Alrighty, guys. I am going to go. I hope y'all enjoyed this little quick project. I think it's super cute. I will be back tonight around 9, anywhere between 9 and 9:30 with a different project. I don't know what yet. I got to look and see what I want to do. So if anybody has any suggestions, you can post on my page. Oh, also, all of my links are in the description. So if you want to search the website, okay, Jennifer. Oh, you're fine, girl. If you want to search my website, all of my links are in the description of the video. Or if you'd like to learn more about Club Couture, you can type number 1 in the comments if you're new, and my robot will send you a message. Alright, guys. Y'all have a great day, and I'll hopefully see y'all tonight.